Hi, I'm Christina Body. I'm the Director of Social Media here at EGC Group, and today I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways to better engage your audience on social media. The first one is community management. Community management is so important and goes way beyond just responding to DMs and comments. It's engaging with each individual person who comments on your content, bringing a meaningful conversation to the table. It's following like-minded brands and influencers and always engaging with their followers to make sure that you're bringing new people into the fold and reaching a larger audience. The next one is interactive stories. Adding interactive stories better engages with your audience and also helps us understand the type of content that they want to see. So adding something like a poll stops you from scrolling and clicking through stories and actually helps people get involved and engage more. Interactive polls not only help engage your audience at a different level, but also helps drive future content so that we know the type of content that your client wants to see. It's also really important to add interactive stories. These stories help us better engage with your audience and also help us understand the type of content that they'll want to see moving forward. So it'll really help drive in the creation of future content. Instagram Reels are so important because they're more discoverable than any other type of content. They're featured more in the Explore page, and they have their own endless feed of a Reels page. They're funny, they're catchy, they are the type of content that people want to stop and look at and engage with. Hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more, follow EGC and click the link in bio.